Check us out, we've got a range of these drones in our stand there at number 76, Underwater Australasia. One of the guys in the crowd, I didn't get his name, but he's actually seeing the footage live on his phone over here. So if you want to see what the camera sees, it's just there. Come and see us at Underwater Australasia. We've got a range of these to suit all budgets, all purposes, and all sorts of eventualities for whatever it is that you want to see underwater. If it's a night dive, just pop the lights on and go and enjoy the scenery. So yeah, super piece of kit. If you got any questions, shout out. Happy to answer while I'm up here. Super quick. These things got about 3 knots, 3 to 4 knots. They sit really well in current. They have artificial intelligence in them as well, so they will clear out the water if there's turbidity or plankton. The AI will filter that image and make it clearer for you. These ones have diver tracking, so you've got a group of divers and you're following the divers. It will keep all of the divers in the frame, so from a safety aspect point of view, it's a great tool to have. Just the manoeuvrability is awesome. You can see how steady this rod is. It's a pretty narrow tank. So yeah, it's the latest trick from QYC. Come and chat to us. Happy to answer any questions one-to-one.
走吧，这就留着了。
太好。
Hope that was of some benefit to you guys.